Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Hideout Eternity. We are going to celebrate our friend's daughter Orthia's birthday. We are all invited for lunch today. Pitan is holding Orthia's birthday gift. She is going to be 7 today. Orthia and Pitan both are in the same school. Okay guys, see you in the birthday party. Friends, we have reached here, the main birthday party area. Look at on my behind, there is one balloon. So let's go inside. Where is Orthia? And she is Orthia Mama. She is Orthia, and this is Orthia's uncle. Hey. This is my friend Linda. Once again, she is looking beautiful with leopard print suit. They are talking. Yes, you talk. Okay, everybody count. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Stop! Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
কি খবর?
আমরা হাত ছাড়া খেতে পারি
চি ক্যানাডায় বসে হাত দিয়ে পেস্ট্রিজেরা দিয়ে থাকলে না।
আমরা বাঙালি, হাত দিয়ে খাওয়া সম্ভব না, আবার ভাত আর মাংস। Friends, today birthday party is over. Still it is raining. We enjoyed a lot. Good food, good gathering, and Bitan got return gift too. Now we are returning back home. If you like my channel, my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.